Hello YouTube and others. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect VirtualBox to your diagnostic device. What you need to do is load up your virtual image first. In this case, this window will come up once you've installed VirtualBox. When you've installed VirtualBox, you'll click New. You'll type in the name of the machine you want. In this case it would be XP or whatever. You select at least a gig of RAM and you click Next. Then you click Use an existing virtual hard drive, at which point you select the virtual hard drive that you should have downloaded and extracted earlier. Remember, that extracted hard drive, you should make a copy of it, because if you don't and you break Diagbox, you're going to have to spend several hours re-downloading it and extracting it again. So be careful. Now that it is downloaded and ready to go, you click Start. When you click Start, this window will appear and Windows XP will load. When Windows XP loads, you select Diagbox and you wait for it to start up. But the key point is, don't select Diagbox until the command window, a little black window which will be roughly here, has gone away. Once that has gone away, you select Diagbox and it loads up. But at this point you haven't connected your diagnostic equipment. In order to do that, you go to Devices in the top left hand corner, USB Devices, and you pick your diagnostic equipment. It won't have a name, which can make it very difficult to find out. In my case, the one ticked is my diagnostic equipment. I had to find it through trial and error. What I did was I'd plug it in, click USB Devices and see what was there. I'd then unplug it from the computer, re-click USB Devices, and it would show me what ones had disappeared. From this, I could guess which one was the diagnostic equipment. What you do is you select the one that is, and you're now connected. Plug it into your car, and simply follow the steps for Diagbox. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hey there YouTube and others. I am going to be showing you how to VIN code your stereo to your Peugeot or Citroen. So you pick your vehicle, in my case it's a 407, and it will scan the vehicle for the VIN number. If it doesn't find it, then your diagnostic connection is not connected properly. Once you connect, you click Diagbox, and then you wait. And then you select your vehicle, in my case a 407 Saloon. Now you come to this screen, you click Fault Finding, and once again you wait. Now it will scan your vehicle for every ECU it can detect. This will take a little while. If this ever pops up, simply select the X. You do not want your computer connected to the internet at any point. Bear in mind, if you've had an RD4 display in your car and you've plugged in an RT3, you will get a multifunction display and radio or radio telephone error. The reason for that is because they are no longer in the car, hence the car cannot detect or communicate with them. Simply ignore them, they are irrelevant to the problem. Now we come to the end of the tests. It will generate a report. Now you scroll down until you come to Telematics and you press the green tick. in the bottom right hand corner. At this point, your RT3 display will say diagnosis in progress. That means that things are working as you would hope. You then select repair. And you wait. You then select configuration. And you wait. This one takes a while. Now it will load up. Here it only shows manual configuration. However, if you do have your computer connected to the internet, which again I seriously advise you don't, you select manual. If you select automatic, it will deactivate the Diagbox and you'll have to reinstall it. Now you tick the green tick again and you click configuration of telematic unit. Finally, you click VIN configuration. At this point, it will show you the VIN number the stereo currently stores. To change this, you press the green tick. And at this point, you type in what you want. Once you have typed it in, you press the green tick again, and it will save it to the stereo. In my case, I won't, as I have already configured it. If successful, the stereo will reboot and will no longer beep when audio has played through it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Okay, so now that you've plugged in, connected your RT3, VIN coded it, etc., you want to tell the car that it no longer has the old style stereo and display. So in order to do that, once you've scanned your car as previously explained, you select the built-in system interface one by pressing the tick. And then tick again. Then you go to repair. Then you go to configuration. And you wait. Okay, then you click manual configuration. And finally you click ECUs present. And a tick. Now, you scroll down. And be careful not to fiddle with these, because you could end up breaking things. So you scroll down to radio. And you set radio and display, which is now running away. And we go back to radio. Okay, so when it eventually gets that, there we are. We set radio to absent, and we set display to absent. And we set telematic unit to present. So you're basically telling it it's no longer an RD4, it's now an RT3. So, once you've done that, you may also want to enable the CD changer for auxiliary or whatever. So you just go down to CD changer and set that to present too. Once you've done all that, you press the little gear that will appear in the bottom right hand corner, and that saves all the settings. Thank you for watching.